Hey guys, how are you? I just started reading this one book by Eckhart Tolle, and I'm sure you've heard of him. If you haven't, check him out. I don't remember what the name of the book is. Maybe The Stillness Speaks, but this one line, I just love this one line that he said was, attention is the healer of separation. And I, myself, as a person who always thinks about relationships and how to connect to other people, how to stop fighting, this spoke to me so strongly as a way to kind of bring that connection into our relationships. And so that applies to so many relationships. A relationship with ourselves is attention will heal that separation that we have from ourselves. If we are not feeling connected to ourselves, simply bringing attention to ourselves will heal that separation. How beautiful is that? And the same thing with everyone else, right? That's why we love it when people spend time with us. And that's why we love it that when we spend time with the people, with our boys, with our husbands, that is the currency, attention, right? That's why we love that undivided attention that we get, but also that we give, right? So often I create connection with my son or my husband, not by them giving me attention, but by me giving them attention. Even sometimes when my husband is not home and I want to feel connected to him, simply by me thinking about him and asking myself, what can I do for my husband? And doing something nice for him makes me feel connected to him. And all because I paid attention to him in my own mind, with my own thinking and feeling and doing. Then I created that for myself. And he didn't even have to be there. How beautiful is that, right? So by the time that he comes home and I see him, I feel so connected to him. I just am so happy to see him. I'm like, I was thinking about you. I did this for you or whatever, right? And so that is so beautiful to me that we all want that connection. We all want that healing. We don't want to be separated. So I don't know, it's just, it's almost like poetry for me. Attention is the healer of separation. So if you are wanting to connect with someone, to feel like, yes, things are awesome, then create that in your own mind with your own thinking by paying attention to whoever that is, whether it's your son, your mom, your husband. Pay some attention to them. Think about them in a way that feels good. Be curious about them. Ask yourself some questions about them, or talk to them or ask them, right? Attention will heal whatever separation you have. And if it doesn't, then you should come coached, because then we can clean up your thoughts so that when you think about them, you feel good. Right? Okay. So you can come and sign up for coaching. My website is www.coachingnatalia.com, and I can help you. You can start feeling connected to whoever right away, to your son, to your husband, anyone. Okay, guys? Yes. And go to sign up for a free mini session on my website, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay? Love you. Bye.